What's good, altcoin G's? It's been a minute, I should say. It's been a minute since I last made a video, but I'm back with another one, and I think this one's a good video for the times we're in. Everyone's looking for something to do. Market's down, and I thought, why not show you lot how to make your own meme coin for free? And the platform I'm going to be using is bunt.fun, which is a new-ish platform. It just came out of beta, or it's still in beta, I'm not too sure. But this is their the X handle anyway, so you can go on there and check out more info. You can go on their website. But yeah, so we're gonna go in here on bunt.fun, and as you can see here, they seem pretty ambitious. They have aspirations of being the top 3 launchpad, and yeah, so I think it's a good place to launch your meme coin if you're starting out just now and you haven't got much of a following, because pump.fun and what's the other one, bonk, is it? Let's bonk.fun, they are probably the 2 biggest right now, and you'll need a decent following to to get pumped. So as you can see here, this is bunt.fun. Interesting colors, yellow and black. There's a few things that graduated, graduating. These are ones that graduated. So if you didn't want to make your own meme coin and you thought, you know what, I'd rather just invest in one of these, you can do. And it's pretty straightforward. If you're used to any of these things, you just buy here, sell there. Oh, this one's doing pretty well. What's this? Support Elon Musk, change the culture in White House. Okay, website in Washington. So you can see all this stuff here. So yeah, it's pretty similar to pump.fun and the Let's Bonk. But yeah, let's get to why you're here. Also, actually, let me just show you this. When you make your own coins, I've already made one. Is it going to show? No. Okay, of course it's not going to show. Not when I'm live. Always the case, isn't it? But normally, after you've made a coin, it will show you your rewards here, and I think it said I have $5 of rewards because I've made one. But yeah, so anyways, I've already started. I've inputted some data. I've inputted the token name. Something AI is the name. Coin ticker is something. I've got an image here, and also, by the way, make sure your image is less than 1 megabyte. You would have to go on a image compressor website or something, or if you're good with Photoshop or whatever, you can do it there. Here's my coin description. It's a bit of a joke, a bit of a play on the AI tokens that are launching. Something AI, the mysterious meme coin that maybe does something. Probably, no one really knows. No one really knows what. Oh god, what was it? But yeah, no one really knows what it does, but everybody apes in. Yeah, I'll let you guys read it whenever you want. Anyways, so you can buy it, or I'm going to buy it. When you make your thing, you can buy, dev buy 0.06. I think it's about $10, only $10 worth. I haven't made a website, obviously. It's just a tutorial. I have made a Twitter though, just to show you guys. Yep, so something AI. No one really knows what, but it has AI in the name, so apes are all in, blah blah blah. And yeah, we're going to launch it, and you'll see how much gas it takes. I don't know if you can see my wallet or not. Let me see. Can you guys see my wallet? Ah, yes. You can't actually see my wallet. So you won't actually be able to see. Didn't think about that before I hit record. But I could tell you anyway. Oh wait, that's not. Oh, of course. Look at that. Second. Okay, yep, I'm back. Sorry about that. So I don't think I had enough to cover the gas fees and the dev buy on this wallet. so I've just quickly sent something over. So let's try again. So 0.06 dev buy, and in my wallet I currently have 0.11. Let's launch this coin. Okay, wallet has come up. Blah blah blah. Network fee is going to be 0.00014 Sol. Is there a way I can take a screenshot of this? It's probably not safe to do so, but yeah, it's about 3014. Yeah, so it took about $4. So it might as well be free, right? You know, you're messing around on Solana. I'm sure you spent a lot more on other things. So yeah, so let's view our coin. So this is it. Something AI. Oh, it looks like someone's already bought it. It's probably a sniper bot. But yeah, and I'm now going to send out a little tweet. First tweet for this, blah blah blah. So we're just gonna say, just use the description. Hashtag Memecoin. Hashtag something AI. Yes, sorry if that was a bit of a painful watch. Like I said, it's been a minute since I last made a video. Hopefully you found that useful on how to make a $3/$4 meme coin. So yeah, like, subscribe, let me know your thoughts, and if you have any more tips or anything on a better platform or whatever, or how to improve the process, let me know. See you on the next one. Peace.